Hello. In today's video, we will see how to create map-like visualizations in R. We will implement our code using R Studio. So when you start looking for a house to buy, what all factors do you look for? Price, area, locality, city, job opportunities, school, various commodities that we have nearby, and most importantly, we also look for crime rate in that area. So in this example, we will be using San Diego crime data 2012, and we will try to monitor what all crime has happened near the UCSD area, that is University of California, San Diego area. So first we will look at ggplot2 library. This is a library we can use for creating visualizations. We can create bar chart, line chart, point graph, scatter graph, or any kind of visualization using this ggplot2 library. Now ggmap is a extension of the ggplot2 library, and this is used to create map visualization, geographical map visualizations. Next is tidyverse. In tidyverse library, we can summarize data easily. So if we want to summarize, we just apply a summarize clause. If we want to filter, we put a filter clause to it. If we want to arrange the data, we put a arrange clause to it. So it makes transforming or the initial manipulation of data very easy, the tidyverse library. Then we have read R library. The read R library is useful to read various kinds of data. So in this, we are reading an read RDS file, as you can see in the code, and we will use read underscore RDS function. You can also use read CSV files using read underscore CSV. So we have read the data and saved it to San Diego crime 2012. Then what we do, now I want to monitor the area only around UCSD. So first, let's have a look at the data. Here we have data. So we have day, dates, month, year, then what type of crime it was, then what was the time, the address, and the most important columns in this file is latitude and longitude of the crime. So we get exact location of the crime. So this has data for full San Diego city, but we are only interested near the UCSD area. That is why we will filter the latitude and longitude according to the area of our interest. We can simply get this from Google Maps. So just select the region that you are interested in, and it will give you the range of latitude and longitude for that area. So when we run this command, we get a new environment variable UCSD crime that we can see on the right hand side, and we can also observe that it has lesser number of observations as compared to the whole data. This is because we have filtered the data only for these particular latitude and longitude. Then using just one simple command, we can create visualization, map visualization, and that is qmplot. So what do we want on x and y axis? We want longitude and latitude respectively. And what data do we want to plot? The data that we just created above it. So ucsd.crime, that is what we want to plot on the map. And so if you just plot it without this color variable, it will just give you dots like this, black dots. So you can see, okay, here the crime is concentrated in this beach area, or it is a bit scattered over here, but it doesn't exactly give you information regarding what kind of fraud it was or what kind of crime it was. So using the color parameter, we can specify according to what do we want to color the dots in the graph. So in this we have put type. Type is nothing but a column in the database that we have. So type of crime. So it will automatically assign colors to various type of crimes. When we see this, the class of this type variable in our data, we see it as a factor. Okay, it is a factor. So if you have a string, categorical variable, and if you want to use you want to color it according to that variable, you should always create it to factor because it makes it very easy to do so. And once we run this command, we get this colorful map. Same, it is the same map, but the only difference is it has colored according to various type of crimes. So we just saw that using one simple function or one simple command, we could create a very nice visualization. Thank you.